What is a woman, right? It's a human female made in the image of God. What's a man, right? Human male made in the image of God. Are there any other kinds? No.
What if the confusion and conflicts over gender in our culture are not progress at all? They are actually devolution.
What is a woman? It's not a trick question. What is a woman?
Who identifies as a woman?
You can't answer the question with the question.
God has displayed his glory throughout creation, and nowhere has he displayed it more beautifully than in manhood and womanhood.
This idea that each man is going to look inside himself and discover from his heart and his spirit what his own masculinity might look like is causing some confusion.
What do you consider a female? What is a female?
There are some women who were assigned a female.
You say you're here to defend women. You say you're here to defend women, but shouldn't you be able to define one?
That's why Church and Family Life is hosting Manhood and Womanhood, a conference on the glory of God in the creation order at Ridgecrest, North Carolina, May 7 through 9. Come join this quiet revolution in motion. Register now at churchandfamilylife.com.